You've probably seen this before. How to match clothing colors to flatter your appearance. It's about finding colors that complement your skin tone. If you don't want to pay, Google Colorwise Me and click the first result. It uses AI to help you with this. Click the button to discover which colors suit you best. Take a photo of your face. You can upload this photo on the website. Once uploaded, select the circle where your face is. Click the small button for the next step. Then select your skin, hair, and eye colors. Just click the squares on the right and move them to the left. Click the next button and you're done. You'll see which colors suit you best. It also shows colors to avoid, listed below. This tool has a mobile app too. I found out my closet only has black shirts. Either I'm goth or I'm really out of style. Comment which colors suit you best, follow and share.